exposing the secret life of your air conditioner and how it keeps you cool. First up, air handling units. Think of these as the heart of your AC system. They circulate cool air throughout the building. Inside, you'll find components like the blower, cooling coil, and filters. Next, let's talk ductwork and ventilation. Ductwork is like the veins and arteries, distributing that cool air to every room. Proper ventilation ensures air quality and comfort. It's all about maintaining a balance between supply and return air. Understanding these components is crucial for efficient AC systems. Now go out there and make your HVAC dreams a reality. Stay cool and keep learning.